In this video, I will be showing you how to create motion graphics in Canva. Let's get started. First, from the Canva dashboard, I move my cursor to the upper left corner and click Create a Design. From the pop-up menu options, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a clean, blank canvas for our project. Once the editing window loads, I head over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Elements tab. I locate the recently used section and click See All to view my collection of illustrations. I select the first food illustration, a platter of nachos with dips. When it appears on the canvas, I drag the corner handle to scale it down slightly and move it over to the left side of the screen. Next, I select a second graphic, a noodle dish served on a banana leaf. I resize it to balance with the first image and place it in the center. I then select a third illustration, a bowl of dessert, and place it on the right side. I adjust and align all three food graphics so they sit evenly in a row across the canvas. Now, to bring these static images to life with motion graphics, I select the first graphic on the left and click Animate on the top toolbar to open the Animate side panel. I browse through various motion effects like Shake Zoom and Whip Slide. Scrolling down to the Reveal category, I select the brush animation. Under the settings, I choose On Enter so it animates smoothly onto the screen. And I explore style options like Curve and Wild to customize the movement. Next, I click on the middle noodle graphic to add an animation effect to it as well. Under the General section in the Animate panel, I choose the Pan effect. I set the animation trigger to On Enter, set the speed to medium, and choose a direction arrow to control how it glides across the layout. Finally, I click on the third dessert illustration on the right side. I scroll through the animation choices, passing options like Wipe, Breathe, and Tectonic, before selecting the tumble animation. With distinct motion effects now applied to all three graphics, I click off to preview the completed animated layout on screen. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create motion graphics in Canva.